Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I show you a new AI tool. It is an all-in-one solution to create AI influencer. And then you can open an account very easy with Google or with Twitter. Just log in, fill in a few informations, and then you have your account ready and you can start. And then you can choose the only option, build a face, and then we can give your influencer a name, for example like Megan and Fox with black hair, and update. If you don't like the result, you can click on update one more time, okay? But in that case we don't need, we continue with this character. Now on Photo Studio here, the clothing option, we can choose what is the style of her. And here we can use a leather jacket with a white top and with a blue jeans. And then here we choose a background. You can let her smile or not. I will choose random here, just let it how it is, and the size for Insta and Twitter, and then click on generate. And then it takes a while to generate the images. And this is our result, and it doesn't look so bad. The face, very realistic, and also her dress looks good. Okay, a little bit skinny, the last one. I think I will take, I think the first, add to gallery here. And then can you look here where you save them. Now it comes up here. All the images you like you can save to there. And then back to create images and auto generate. This is another option. And here you can activate the NSFW also if you want nude pictures, something like that. But in that case not, and I click on auto generate. Now let's see what we get. And then it takes a little while. And these are the auto generated images. Really good. The last one I don't like, I like this one here. You can download here the images also if you want. This we can add. I like this one. And this one. And then we get the image clone option. Here you can choose an image from your computer with a different face. The face from this girl here, for example. And here the number of images, smile or not. The quality of creativity you can improve here a little bit and click on generate. Then it takes a little while to create the images, and now we got our results here, and really good. Have a look. Looks amazing. You can see here there's a wall in the background and she's with her arm, she's also on another wall in front. Really good result. And same thing here, you can choose your favorites, you can add them to the gallery. I like them all. Alright, and now another cool thing I want to show you is the Instagram feed here. If you need some inspirations, you can go there. And then let's choose this one. Then click on Create Similar. And wait a little bit. Now we can see the images are already showing up, but are still not finished yet. Takes a while, and now you can see the high def resolution we have here, and this is a low def resolution. The high def resolution looks really good. We can add. Now we got it. If you don't have any inspirations, just go here to the Insta feed and you will find something. Create videos is the last cool thing. You can use the face that we made, or you can use a custom face. You can upload the image here. And then here you can use a TikTok video. Just put the link inside then, and then it will create another video with your face, okay? But this is only possible in the Pro version. If you like this tool, you can get the Pro version here, and then with this code you can save up to 50%. I think really cool this tool. Why not? If you like this tutorial, then give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then see you in my next video. Bye!